In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello board visibility settings. First, go to Trello through the Atlassian website or open the Trello app in your browser and make sure you're already logged into your account. If you're not signed in yet, complete the login process first so you can access your boards and settings. Once you're inside your account, head to the board where you want to update the visibility. Open that board so you're looking at the main board view. This is the page where you can see your lists, cards, and the board menu across the top area. After the board loads, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the three-dot icon, which opens additional board options and settings. Click that three-dot icon to open the board menu. A side panel or drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing the board. In that menu, look for the visibility setting. It may simply say Visibility, and this is the section that controls who can access or discover your board. Click on Visibility to open the available choices. Trello will show you the different visibility options for that board. You will typically see Private, Workspace, and Public. Each option changes who can view the board, so it's a good idea to choose the one that matches how broadly you want to share it. If you select Private, the board will only be visible to people who have been specifically added to it. This is the best choice if the board contains internal planning, personal tasks, or information you only want certain members to access. If you choose Workspace, the board becomes visible to people inside your Trello workspace. This option works well when the board is meant for a wider internal team, but you still don't want it available outside that workspace. If you select Public, the board can be viewed by anyone with access to the link, and in some cases it may also be discoverable more broadly, depending on platform behavior and search settings. Use this option carefully and make sure there's nothing sensitive on the board before making it public. Once you've decided which visibility setting you want, click the option to apply it. If Trello asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm it. Some visibility changes, especially switching to public, may show a warning or extra notice before the update is finalized. Read that message, then continue if you're sure. After that, take a moment to verify that the change was successful. Look back at the board area and find the visibility label. It should now reflect the option you selected, whether that's Private, Workspace, or Public. This confirmation is important because it lets you know the board is now shared the way you intended. At this point, your board visibility setting has been changed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if you're working on team boards, it's always worth double-checking board visibility before sharing links with others. That helps prevent access issues and also make sure the right people can see the board. If someone says they can't open the board, the visibility setting is one of the first things to review. Also remember that board visibility is different from board membership. Even if a board is visible to a workspace or to the public, permissions for editing and interacting with cards may still depend on who has been added and what access level they have. So if your goal is not just visibility but also collaboration, you may want to review member access separately. And that's all it takes to change Trello board visibility settings. You log into your account, open the board, click the three-dot menu in the top right, choose Visibility, select Private, Workspace, or Public, and then confirm that the board label updates correctly. Once you do that, your board is set up with the sharing level you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.